Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Language Tutor French series. You know, we're in the third part of this short little series where we're looking at some different types of present tense verbs in French. And so this is the third one. Today we're going to be looking at verbs that end with either OIR or OIRE. Okay, you're going to see a lot of verbs in French like this. So this will hopefully be helpful to you. It won't be a long lesson. It'll be short and easy for you. So get ready to take a few notes and let's see how to do these types of verbs. Let's go right to our board and let's put up a few. Here's one for you. It's boire. Boire means to drink. Notice this one ends in OIRE. We'll have two of those and we'll have one that doesn't have an E in just a second. But boire means to drink. Here's another one. Croire means to believe. Okay? Croire. And then finally, I'm going to teach you voir, which means to see. All right. Now that we have those done, let's put our chart up right now. And let's use the verb boire to do our example today on how we conjugate these verbs. Okay. Now, first of all, we're going to think along the same lines in terms of endings that we've used with ER verbs and pretty much every type of present tense verb. We're it's standard to put that S in the top left and the S in the middle and the T at the bottom. So we're going to kind of follow that. So let's look at the je form of this. We have je bois, I drink, je bois. Now underneath that, we're going to have the same thing, tu bois. All right. The il, elle, on form is going to be boire, but we're going to have a T instead of an S. And here's where we're going to change something. Up in the top right, we're not going to say B-O, we're going to use a B-U. So we're going to, for we drink is going to be nous buvons. Buvons, it's going to be B-U-V-O-N-S. So now that I've told you that, I bet you can guess the vous form underneath it. Buvez, right? Buvez, which is you drink, B-U instead of B-O. Okay, but now, bottom right, we're going to still stick with that B-O-I. So it's going to be il and elle boivent, B-O-I-V-E-N-T, okay? All right, now that we've looked at one that ends in O-I-R-E on the chart, I want to show you voir because it ends with just OIR. I want you to see the fact that it's really the same thing. We don't have to worry about the difference between the E and ending with an R. It's going to be basically the same thing. Now, just a quick note, if you were going to conjugate croire, believe, it would be exactly the same as boire. Okay, they both end in OIRE. You would conjugate them exactly the same. All right, but just for good measure, let's go back to the screen and I want to show you the conjugations of voir. All right. So here we have je vois. Okay. So it's going to be the same conjugation. Tu vois. And in the bottom left, we're going to say vois also. But again, you're saying it before me probably. You already know it. It's going to be a T. Now up on the top right, we're going to keep it V-O. And we're going to say nous voyons. And I bet you can guess what the vous form is, voyez. All right. And then finally down here in the bottom right, we have il and elle voir, but we're ending it with E-N-T. And my friends, mes amis, that is how we do OIR and OIRE verbs. They're pretty easy. You'll come across these every once in a while, but now you know how to do them and you won't let them throw you. I know you can bring them right into your conversation. Hey, check out the Language Tutor French podcast and practice with me on the go and go to thelanguagetutor.co on the net and you can get downloadable written practices so you can practice your hand at your writing skills in French and pick up a Language Tutor hoodie or coffee mug, something like that. Sport your Language Tutor support and also, yes, support us because we get a portion of that. It comes straight to us directly to it. I actually get it on my phone every time and it says, hey, somebody donated. And I just go, yeah, thank you so much. And I'd look to see who it is and I really appreciate it. And you can just donate to the channel. Click About right down here below the video, and then you'll see a link how to donate to the channel. And I'm serious, every time I see one come in, I just go, wow, thank you so much. So I appreciate all of you. I wish for you and all your family and friends, paix et bénédiction, peace and blessings. And I'll see you next time on The Language Tutor French. Au revoir. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.